What I would recommend that you do if you want to stick out is do what most are not doing. Be the leader and authority in your niche. Bring people into your world and connect with them like a real human being. There's a lot of people out there right now that are just marketing like everybody else. They're just talking about how great their company offer is. They're just talking about, oh, it costs only this much to get started versus if you joined this other opportunity that costs this much. And that's all the content that you see out there. And nobody cares about that. Nobody cares about what offer you're promoting. Nobody cares how great your company is. What they care about most is you. Why should anyone do business with you? This is where personal branding comes into play. This is where attraction marketing comes into play. How do you stand out? You start by being the leader and the authority in your marketplace. You also don't be afraid to bring people into your world and connect with them. Be yourself. You don't have to posture up this fake influencer that's making X amount of money and you did it within like 2 weeks. You don't have to posture yourself up like that. You just need to be you and don't be afraid to tell your story because everybody's got a unique story to tell. People are waiting to hear yours. And so they can connect with you and know that you're a real human being versus just another desperate car sales pushy man. So keep that in mind when it comes to sticking out in affiliate marketing. You want to make sure that you don't do what everyone else is doing and just focus on being the one that people can look at and they remember you. Like they find you entertaining. They find you memorable. Don't be afraid to connect with people by just being yourself.